Welcome to Books for Success. Today's video is about the fantastic book, Broke Millennial, by Erin Lowry. Hey! Ever felt like managing money as a young person in today's world feels like navigating a financial maze with no end? Erin Lowry's Broke Millennial is here to help. It's like a roadmap for us, the millennial generation, to get our money right. Let's jump in. Setting the stage. Lowry starts by laying out the reality. Many millennials feel broke. Whether it's student loans, high costs of living, or just not earning enough, the struggle is real. But here's the thing, it's not just about making more money. It's about understanding and managing it. Get financially naked. A quirky term, but it means understanding your financial reality. Know your credit score, understand your debts, and know how much you truly earn. It's like taking a financial health checkup. Budgeting 101. Lowry breaks down budgeting without making it sound like a chore. It's about giving every dollar a job. Whether you're a freelancer with fluctuating income or on a steady salary, she offers tips to help you keep track without feeling restricted. Tackling debt. Debt is like that uninvited guest for many millennials, especially student loans. Lowry advises prioritizing high-interest debts and talks about strategies like the snowball and avalanche methods. She's all about paying off debt, but in a way that's manageable and doesn't make you miserable. Let's talk about savings. Lowry emphasizes the importance of an emergency fund. She recommends starting small, even if it's just $1 a day. This isn't just about the unexpected car repair. It's about having the freedom to leave a bad job or make important life decisions without being financially handcuffed. Investing for newbies. Investing might sound intimidating, but it's crucial for long-term financial health. Lowry demystifies terms like stocks and bonds, explaining the importance of starting early, even if it's just a small amount, due to the magic of compound interest. Relationships and money. Money can be a touchy subject in relationships. Whether you're going on a first date or moving in with your partner, Lowry offers advice on how to navigate these waters. She believes in being open, setting mutual financial goals, and understanding each other's money mindset. Hacks for living the good life on a budget. Who said being financially savvy means giving up fun? Lowry shares hacks like traveling on a budget, enjoying nights out without breaking the bank, and even finding affordable ways to stay fit. Financial literacy. It's not just about money. One big takeaway is that being financially literate isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about understanding how money impacts all areas of your life, from mental health to personal relationships. Navigating tricky financial conversations. Whether it's asking your boss for a raise, splitting the bill with friends, or discussing finances with your partner, Lowry offers scripts and strategies to handle these conversations with grace. In summary, Broke Millennial isn't just a guide to managing money. It's about changing your relationship with it. Erin Lowry writes as if she's a friend guiding you, using real-life anecdotes and relatable examples. She acknowledges the unique financial challenges millennials face but empowers us to take control. So, if you ever feel overwhelmed by finances or just want to get smarter with your money, remember the insights from this book. Being a broke millennial isn't a permanent status. With the right knowledge and mindset, you can transition from financially clueless to financially savvy. And this book is a great starting point. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, remember to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're hungry for more wisdom and want to support our channel and the remarkable authors we feature, subscribe and check out the links in the description. Your support not only helps us grow but also supports the authors who have dedicated their time to creating these life-changing works. Thanks for watching.